Hi, I am Dr. T. Vimala, Associate Professor of Chemistry, Sita Lakshmi Ramasamy College, Tiruchirappalli. Now I am going to discuss about electrocyclic reactions. What are electrocyclic reactions? It is coming under the class of pericyclic reaction. What is pericyclic reaction? Reactions which proceed in a single concerted step via the formation of a cyclic transition state involving pi or sigma electrons are called pericyclic reaction. So, pericyclic reactions are concerted reaction. What is meant by concerted reaction? It is a continuous reaction with involvement of a cyclic transition state. Pericyclic reactions are not influenced by added solvent, catalyst or added salt. It is only influenced by heat or light. If the reaction influenced by heat, it is called thermal reaction. If a pericyclic reaction influenced by light, that is called photochemical reaction. Pericyclic reactions are different types. What are they? Electrocyclic reaction, cycloaddition reaction, sigmatropic rearrangement and so on. We are going to discuss only electrocyclic reactions. So, electrocyclic reactions are reversible reaction in which a compound with a conjugated double bond undergoes cyclization. So, open chain compound are converted to a cyclic compound and vice versa is also possible. That is called the ring opening reaction. We are going to discuss only about ring closure reaction. In this ring closure reaction, from the polyene, one number of pi bond is converted to a sigma bond. For example, 1,3,5-hexatriene under thermal condition converted to 1,3 cyclohexadiene. The product has one number of pi bond less, whereas one number of new sigma bond is formed. Electrocyclic reactions are interpreted by many ways. What are the different ways of interpretation of electrocyclic reaction? FMO method, correlation diagram method, Huckel-Mobius method. Now, we are going to discuss about FMO method. Expansion of FMO method is Frontier Molecular Orbital method. That one was introduced by Kenichi Fuki, a Japanese scientist. So, to interpret the FMO method, we must know what is meant by HOMO and LUMO. HOMO means highest occupied molecular orbital. That is the molecular orbital filled with the electron which has highest energy in that system. What is meant by LUMO? Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. That is a molecular orbital unoccupied by electron which has lowest energy among the unoccupied molecular orbitals. In electrocyclic reaction, there is formation of a sigma bond. This sigma bond is formed from the polyenes. Therefore, the two terminals of the pi orbitals of HOMO, the two terminals of the pi orbitals of HOMO should be rotated for the formation of sigma bond by a head-on overlapping. Head-on overlapping of orbitals only gives the sigma bond. So, this is the pi molecular orbital diagram of 1,3 butadiene. So, here in the butadiene, 4 number of carbon present which is having a conjugated pi bond. The pi molecular orbital has been given in the increasing order of energy level. The lowest pi molecular orbital is denoted by pi 1, pi 2, next pi star 3, next one is pi star 4. The wave function of the pi molecular orbital is denoted by the letter psi, psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, etc. Now, the pi molecular orbitals should be rotated in two ways to convert a pi bond into sigma bond. What are the two different ways of rotation of pi molecular orbitals? They are denoted as con-rotatory process and dis-rotatory process. What is meant by con-rotatory process? The two terminals of pi molecular orbitals are rotated in the same direction. It is called con-rotatory process. For example, this is the HOMO of 1,3-butadiene under thermal condition. It is out of phase orbital. What is meant by out of phase orbital? Orbital with the same sign on the terminal are present in the opposite phases. So it is called out of phase orbital. That out of phase orbital are rotated in such a way that is either both in anti-clockwise direction or both orbitals are rotated in clockwise direction to meet the orbitals of same sign. Orbital of same sign on head-on overlapping only produces sigma bond. Then what is meant by dis-rotatory process? The two terminals of orbitals are rotated in the opposite direction. This different direction. So it is an in-phase orbital. To have the orbital of same sign undergo head-on overlapping, it is rotated in different direction. Which one? The terminal orbitals are rotated in different direction to meet the lobe of same sign on head-on overlapping to give a sigma bond. Now we will see the pi molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene. These two are bonding molecular orbitals. These two are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. The molecular orbital are arranged in the increasing order of energy level. So total of 2 number of pi bonds are present. So therefore 4 number of pi electrons are present. The pi electrons are filled in the bonding molecular orbital. What is the highest occupied molecular orbital? According to this diagram, Psi2 is the highest occupied molecular orbital. This highest occupied molecular orbital under thermal condition. What is meant by thermal condition? Electrons are not excited. They are present only in the ground state. These orbitals are out of phase orbitals. That out of phase orbital under thermal condition undergoes con-rotation. Con-rotation means orbitals are rotated in the same direction. For example, here it is rotated in the anti-clockwise direction to meet orbital of same sign. That leads to the formation of sigma bond. Cyclization of 1,3-butadiene by photochemical process. Previously we saw the thermal process. Now we are going to see the photochemical process. What is meant by photochemical process? The reaction is carried out in the presence of light is called photochemical process. In the presence of light, one of the electron from the Psi2 orbital is excited to Psi3 orbital. Now Psi3 orbital is HOMO. Now we are taking that HOMO. This is the representation of HOMO, which is Psi3. It is an in-phase orbital. In the in-phase orbital, to meet the orbitals of same sign for head-on overlapping, it should undergo this rotatory process. By this rotatory process, orbital of same sign is overlapping to give a sigma bond. Now, thermal condition, which process is allowed? Already I told, con-rotatory only symmetry allowed process, whereas this rotatory is symmetry forbidden process. What is meant by con-rotatory? Rotation in the same direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. After rotation, orbital of same sign are coming closer together. What is meant by this rotation? It is rotated in different direction. After rotation, orbital of same sign are not meeting, so it is a symmetry forbidden process, whereas this one is a symmetry allowed process. For thermal condition, con-rotatory motion is a symmetry allowed process, whereas this rotatory is a symmetry forbidden process in the case of conversion of 1,3-butadiene to cyclobutene. In the presence of light, that is photochemical condition, it is an in-phase orbital. In-phase orbital are rotated in this rotatory way to meet the lobes of same sign. So it is this rotatory is a symmetry allowed process, whereas con-rotatory orbital of same sign are not meeting. Orbital of opposite sign is meeting. So it is a symmetry forbidden process. We can apply this electrocyclic reaction for 1,3,5 hexatriene. We are not giving here the whole molecular orbital picture of 1,3,5 hexatriene, but we have chosen the HOMO. Here psi 3 is HOMO. The molecular orbital picture of psi 3 is given here. It is an in-phase orbital. In-phase orbital are always rotated on different direction to meet the orbital of same sign to give the product 1,3 cyclohexadiene. So it is a thermal process. In thermal process only psi 3 is HOMO for 1,3,5 hexatriene to give 1,3 cyclohexadiene. In the case of photochemical process, the psi star 4 is HOMO because one of the electron goes to excited state. Now in the presence of light, the outer phase orbital undergo con-rotatory process to meet the orbital of same sign to give 1,3 cyclohexadiene. We can summarize the electrocyclic reactions by Woodward-Hoffmann rule. If the number of pi electrons involved is 4n pi electrons, reaction in the ground state, that is under thermal condition, con-rotatory is an allowed process. If the reactions involved is 4n plus 2 pi electron, in the ground state, under thermal condition, this rotatory is an allowed process. For this, the conversion of 1,3 butadiene to cyclobutene is the example. For this 1,3,5 hexatriene to cyclohexadiene is an example. The same process under photochemical condition, the type of rotation is different because here HOMO is psi 2, here HOMO is psi 3. Here HOMO is psi 3. Whereas here it is psi star 4. The rotation is different. Here this rotatory process only give the product. Whereas under photochemical condition, for 4n plus 2 pi electron, con-rotatory process is an allowed process.